So here's how you can disable the voiceover on the Apple Watch, but even without the iPhone. And let's get started. If you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So naturally, if you have your iPhone around, you would be able to just get it to the Watch app on the phone and check it out through the accessibility. But on the Apple Watch, it might be a bit harder, but you can basically do it as well. Like if you have Siri enabled, you can just hold down on the digital crown, activate Siri, and literally tell it to turn off the voiceover for you. That would be the quickest way to get it done and actually the most effective. So yeah, definitely try it out. But if for some reason your watch doesn't have the Siri enabled, you can also just manually go through the settings of the Apple Watch. Like in the voiceover, everything gets selected first and then you have to like confirm it again. So you have to like double click on everything to get it through the menus or settings or whatever, but you essentially have to find the accessibility as well, and the voiceover is the thing on the top. So it also has the toggle and control from the Apple Watch itself. It's not like required to only set it up from the watch, from the iPhone, right? You can also find it on the watch itself. So that is how you can find it. But again, I would say that Siri is probably the fastest way. So let me know which option you decided to utilize for your case. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for the next tutorials and upcoming videos like this one. And I'll see you later.